Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update for this Monday to Wednesday, August 15 to 17, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have a development of a shallow low pressure area located to the west of Ilocos provinces. So this shallow LPA is not expected to develop, and it is forecast to move towards the northwest and make landfall over southern China within the next 24 to 48 hours. And because of this shallow low pressure area and a monsoon trough traversing Northern Luzon into the remnants of LPA 91W, this was once a low chance LPA, but it's now just a part of the monsoon trough. So the combination of these weather systems will enhance slightly the southwest monsoon, which is known as the Southwesterlies. Okay, in Tagalog, Habagat, bringing some more thunderstorms across central portions of Luzon, Metro Manila, Bicol region, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, portions of the Visayas, western and southern Mindanao, and also including the Sulu Archipelago, Calayan Island Group over the Spratlys, and the Panatag Shoal or the Scarborough Shoal over the West Philippine Sea. So this southwesterlies, even if it's a weak one, there will be more thunderstorms because of the prevailing La Nina conditions, which is bringing more rainfall across the country. And this situation, especially the afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, will persist throughout the week based on the latest computer models. And outside of PAR, we don't have any other low pressure systems. We have here an intertropical convergence zone with a surface trough over the central Micronesia area near Pohnpei. And not seen on this GovSat, we have a low pressure area that traversed the international dateline from the central Pacific into the western Pacific, and it's just a low pressure area with tag ID 92W. And if we take a look at the fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, this is the low pressure system that crossed the international dateline into the western Pacific, and it's now beginning to dissipate. And here's the other surface trough, and we have here another one, the remnants of 91W, and we have another one here, low pressure shallow LPA moving towards southern China with the monsoon trough over northern Luzon. So if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, severe thunderstorms will continue to affect much of Luzon. These are scattered to widespread ones. And also portions of the Bicol region, Mimaropa, some portions as well of the Visayas and Mindanao. So this is mainly due to the southwesterly surface wind flow or the weak Habagat. And if we take a look at the latest wind pressure and rain forecast from the European model for the next 4 days or 3 days. Okay, by tomorrow morning we expect good weather with some sunshine will persist in various islands of the country, and by tomorrow afternoon we again expect this thunderstorm activity to return in various sections of the country. Wednesday morning, again, good weather with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms along portions of the Philippine Islands. And by Wednesday afternoon, again, thunderstorms will be expected. And this will persist until Thursday afternoon. And maybe until the weekend, this common natural visitor during the afternoon will continue to persist because of the ongoing high probability of the La Nina phenomenon, which is expected to last until February of 2023. But so far, tropical cyclone development is not expected to form within the next 5 days. But next week, there are some hints, okay, of a tropical cyclone formation to the east of northern Luzon moving towards Taiwan based on the latest European models as well as the American model. Okay, so that's the latest for today, Monday, and we will return on Wednesday. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas, your rain gear, jackets, since every afternoon, every day, there are rain showers and thunderstorms expected in most parts of the country. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.